Hey DIYers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're working on our garbage disposal, and we just moved into this new house, and the smell coming out of that garbage disposal is horrific. It smells horrible. In this video we're going to show you how to clean it and hopefully get rid of that smell. All right, YouTubers, in the kitchen now, and we have a side-by-side sink, and the sink on the right side has a garbage disposal installed on it, and the left side is just normal plumbing for draining. However, we just moved into this new house, and the smell of this garbage disposal is horrific. So we need to clean that, and if we clean it and it doesn't fix it, we need to replace this garbage disposal. So what we have here is called Lemmy Shine Disposal Cleaner, and this cleans with foaming action and fresh lemon scent. On the side of the box are the instructions. Use disposal cleaner once a week or as needed. And we used this at our previous house, and believe it or not, we used it once and did not have to use it for over a year. So let's get right into it, YouTubers. Step number one: with the disposal turned off and empty, run a heavy stream of hot water into the sink, but not directly into the disposal. See illustration. As you can see here, the pictorial image has the water coming out of the faucet into the sink, however, not directly down into the garbage disposal. After 1 minute, reduce hot water to a pencil thin stream. Let's go ahead and turn on our hot water and just shift the water to a point where it is not directly in line with the drain as shown here. After 1 minute with hot water, go ahead and reduce the water pressure to a pencil thin state. From here, I'm going to open up the box and show you what the pods look like. And each pod comes in a plastic wrap. That has to stay on there. Set it on the plate and continue with the step-by-step process. Step 2, with disposal off and water still running, insert one dissolvable pod into the disposal, then turn on disposal. Foam may be visible in both sides of a double sink as it cleans, so be aware of that. If you see foam in the second sink, that is normal and okay. Reference the pictorial image once again. As you can see, that pod, that plastic wrap is still intact. Again, do not take this pod out of that plastic wrap. This has no artificial fillers or dyes, and this is septic system friendly. And step 3, cleaning is complete once foam entirely evacuates from disposal, usually 1 to 2 minutes, and then rinse remaining foam from sink and turn off disposal. So grab your pod, carefully insert it in the garbage disposal. From here, garbage disposal comes on. And you can really see the foam starting to build. And again, 1 to 2 minutes. And there's the foam on the opposite side sink. And I've got a timer going right now. And again, we are waiting for that foam to dissipate and disappear. It has now been 1 minute. I'm going to increase the flow of water, rinse out any additional foam from the sink. After shutting off the disposal, go ahead and turn the water off. And that completes step 3. And YouTubers, I can honestly say, just standing here right now, I can smell a significant difference. However, that pod has a pretty strong, friendly scented smell, so we will see how long it lasts. It is nowhere near the horrific smell it was prior to inserting that pod. So from here, again, we'll just monitor it, and as the box mentioned, you can do this once a week or as needed.
We may not have to do this for another 3 to 6 months. We don't know. We will see. And your circumstances may be different as well. Hopefully this helps, YouTubers. Do us a favor, below the video, you'll see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us and awesome. Thanks again for watching. And one more thing, we just installed a brand new reverse osmosis system. If you want step-by-step guidance on how to install one of these for reverse osmosis quality or clean water, definitely check out the link scrolling above.